Okay. Video number 2 of our documentation of the blizzard. Front yard. It's been about 2 hours since it started snowing. Let me step down, see how much we have. I'd say, loosen it. Aiden's off exploring somewhere. Where'd you go? I'm following his tracks. Oh, there he goes. Can't even tell where the driveway ends, can you? Wow, it's deep. Mommy's feet are all the way under now. Can you hear the wind? It's blowing. Okay, this is definitely more than an inch. Let's check this out. Okay, those are my footprints. More than an inch in 2 hours, I'd say. Aiden, we've had a lot of snow.
These are my footprints.
Yep. Okay, we can't stay out very long. Woo, windy, woo, cold. There's the street, one way. Plows haven't been here in a while. Whoop. No one out. Very cold. Very cold. Okay. Let's go inside. Because it's very cold and very windy. So, my foot's probably buried. Alright, time to go inside. Is there anything you need to say to the camera before I turn it off?
Bye-bye, it's snowing.
Bye-bye, it's snowing?
And it's fresh.
It's fresh.